In this high-tech factory, robots and workers collaborate on the assembly line. Robotic arms precisely place microchips onto circuit boards, and inspection stations run rigorous tests for quality. Only devices that pass every check proceed to packaging. This is where millions of smartphones begin their journey, inside a high-precision manufacturing facility built for perfection. Every device starts as hundreds of individual components: processors, camera sensors, circuit boards, all carefully tracked and inspected. Advanced SMT machines place thousands of microscopic components onto circuit boards with extreme accuracy, measured in microns. Despite automation, skilled technicians carefully inspect every board to reduce errors and ensure flawless performance. Precision alignment tools ensure the display fits perfectly within the frame. Even a fraction of a millimeter matters. Every screw is tightened to an exact torque. Every connection is secured to guarantee safety and durability. Before leaving the factory, each device is programmed, tested, and verified, from touchscreen sensitivity to camera clarity. Durability tests simulate real-life accidents, ensuring the phone survives everyday use. Only devices that pass strict quality control standards move forward. From this factory floor, thousands of smartphones are shipped worldwide, engineered with precision, assembled by skill, and tested for excellence.